Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Pad 8 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, basically this operation of removing the browsing history is pretty similar in all browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate my steps and apply them to your browser. So as I said, let's open it, and in my case I have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the history. As you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and basically if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, let's be honest, if this list is really long, then I highly recommend to remove everything automatically. And to do that, we have to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data, which is at the top of this list. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got a regular browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. And let's tap on simply Clear Data. And as you can see, sometimes not everything will be removed. However, you can do it by your hand. And I also forgot to say that at the top of the list, you will be able to pick the time range. So you can remove the items from, for example, only last hour or even all time. So it's up to you. Simply tap on the option you would like to use. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.